Alright, so I got a little froggy, went down to Home Depot and bought this $20 Rino Tuff PivoTrim. And thankfully it had the correct nut for this shaft. Look at there. Really, really slick. It's got these deals here. Lasts a heck of a lot longer. Just love it. Just insert them, you're good to go. I've already tried it. Works good. Greased all that up. Alright, I'd never been a fan of those weed whackers that you have to smack on the ground to get more line to come out. So I'm glad I got this one. Righty-loosey, lefty-tighty on this Kobalt. And probably most of them anyway. But I want to show you some of the nitty-gritty details of my work here. Maybe it'll help you out. And there's that 10mm 1.25 thread nut that this item came with. Alright, now this is where you want to kind of keep an eye on what I did here. So I'm taking all this stuff apart here and I'll show you my work. That what I have in my hand right there, actually drilled that washer out. Alright, this in my left hand there, that's what it came with. There is a bearing sleeve key. I guess that's what you call it right there. See how I packed it with marine grade grease? Alright, put that in there, and I put that goes right over that, and that all spins. Then what I did is I grabbed another washer that's slightly larger than the center one, so when you screw the head down, it's all going to sandwich tight together. This replacement trimmer head does come with some plastic spacer washer deals, but I'm not putting plastic on here, not for this application. I want it to work and last a lot longer. You can see how I'm holding the shaft with my right hand. There's a little hole there where you can lock the sleeve so it doesn't spin, and then you lefty-tighty this deal on. You have to be really careful. You can easily strip the threads, and all I did is hand tight this head on there. I really don't think you need much more than hand tight. I'm going to take it out of the vise here and I'll show you movement. See how that's good and tight in there? Nice, good, smooth movement. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. I did have a portion of video of me actually trimming, but we'll save that for the next time.